long day coming, hasn't it, Brooke?
Oh yeah.
This is, we're gonna give this car a major upgrade today. This is Brooke's 1999 R34 Skyline, and it's had some issues. She bought it at a good price, and we knew going into it that we were going to be upgrading it, and so today's the day. You guys get to see this. We're going to do a walk around of the car at some point and show you all the old stuff, but basically a few of the key bad features is we got these really ugly side skirts on here. They're really ugly. We haven't liked those. That was the first thing we noticed. They were really just ugly and crappy. They don't match the car. They don't paint. The paint match is not good on them. It's just really ugly. The other thing is she wanted a car that had an opening like a GTR, a grill that had more like a GTR. So, and the hood has got some bad spots in the paint and stuff like that. So we were wanting to replace that as well. And then she had a really bad encounter with a deer over here, and she hit a deer. It was very devastating to her. But luckily, she already had the parts on order to fix this. So this is only a few weeks old, but yeah, bad deal. But we've got all new stuff to go in here. She bought her a brand new carbon fiber hood. She bought her brand new bumper covers, brand new side skirts, rear bumper, the whole body kit. It's going to be gorgeous when it gets done. So we're excited to show you how this goes, and hopefully we don't run into any problems.
It looks good.
Man, that looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, that looks...
Pick it up and carry it up there. Is it heavy?
Nope. Not at all. Just big. Oh, it's got the mesh in the vents too.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's really nice. I like the 4 vents in it. That is gorgeous.
Oh, that looks really good.
This car is about ready to make a major transfer.
Yeah, major transformation. Getting the passenger side headlight out was a bit of a tricky thing to do. The bumper had it pinched. Took a bigger lick than I thought it did.
Oh, I'm not gonna be able to open it because the thing's too close.
We'll go on the driver's side.
Oh, what? I was thinking that was the driver's side. Confused here.
Oh gosh. Yeah, it works.
All right, try it again.
Nope.
Nope, the other one doesn't work. Oh, hold on.
Might just be unplugged, Brooke.
Hold on.
Hold on.
No, it's plugged in. I don't know what this is.
Did it break it?
It's got two. Oh, this one, yeah.
It did unplug it, yeah.
Right here. Let's see if this. All right, now try it.
Yeah, it works.
Okay, now hit it.
Yep.
Okay. They still work.
Well, that's good.
With the dog's bark. Yeah, it took a good hit.
Oh, the dogs are freaking out.
Yeah, so that's what it looks like normally. It does have a little bit of a bend to it normally,
Right.
but it really bended in over here. So right here, Dad is working on straightening out all of the damage caused by when Brooke hit the deer. He's been a metal worker for more than I've been alive, so he's pretty decent at it, getting things to move back into place and whatnot. We used a come along to pull a couple of spots. We attached it to the back of my mom's Jeep, and then just moved it around to where you can tell it was crushed in certain spots. I guess where the headlight bracket, whatever, pushed whenever the deer hit that. So made it a lot quicker pulling it all out like that. Yeah, that looks a lot better than it was.
I see it's got some.
Yeah. Yeah, pull that out and just spray that and clean it out. You can use the orange mitt to clean the bucket out if you want. Okay. And then use the orange mitt to clean those.
Alright, well, he's got the headlight pulled back out to where it's supposed to be pretty much. You see this side, what it looks like. Can't really notice much of a difference now. So that's a lot better. He's still got to fix this piece here. Obviously, he's got all the bolts out of it. You see where it bolts to the frame. She got really lucky where she hit this little deer that it didn't do more damage than what it did. So, yeah, you see this side's all still bolted up, that piece I was talking about. And then you see where it bolts onto the frame back there. And then here's the little piece. And it's really mangled. But try to straighten her out best we can. Good thing is it's really just there to hold the bumper in place, so.
Alright, so here we are. We got the whole body kit fit up and the hood and everything fit up pretty well. We got a little bit more massaging to do to this where she had hit a deer with her car. It did a little more damage than we thought, so it took a little longer to get things fit up. And after we got it fit up, we've noticed that there's a few things that we still got to just tweak a little bit. There's a little place here, this body line doesn't match up real good because the fender was bent up, so it's going to take a little bit of more body work to get that to fit exactly. As you can see, she's just got the headlight taped right now. She's got new headlight lenses. They actually just showed up. You got to bake those off and bake the new and put the new ones on. So we got to get that fixed and put back in there. That's a little bit of a process. We'll probably do another video on that. And the factory fog lights were broke on it, so she ordered some really cool amber ones. And we're working with some fitment on these. We're not sure yet. We're going to try a couple different things on those. We might show something later on that too. We might do a whole lighting special maybe or something. But other than that, it really turned out well. The body kit was really nice. There wasn't a lot of trimming and fitting. There was just a few holes that we had to drill. Pretty much everything lined up really nice. Next will be, after we finish massaging this a little bit, it will be paint. So it's going to be really exciting. You guys have to stay tuned for that one. That's going to be a good episode.